Welcome to the talk show series by NG Networks. This is a platform where we invite people from the networking domain to share their experience, their journeys with us, and they share their stories of how they become a network engineer, and we hope to get inspired from that. So today we have Naveen Yadav, and let's invite him in and listen to his experience. Hi, Naveen. Can you hear me? So,
So,
welcome to the
hi
talk.
everyone.
And how are you today?
Yeah, I'm doing good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good too. Thank you. So, Naveen, let's just start and please tell us, how your routine is like as a network engineer. What are your daily tasks like? So, let's start from there. Okay.
Okay. So, as a network engineer, I'm working for a telecom company. So, my profile is a network engineer and I'm working for a telecom company. So, my day-to-day roles are to configure all the changes, whatever is required to enhance the network and user experience. We are doing troubleshooting and all that stuff in our day-to-day activities and preparing mobs and preparing MOP for future enhancement as well. Any new commissioning related to a new task or whatever is required
Okay.
to enhance the user experience in the network, which includes changes as well as troubleshooting, both of the things. So all the Cisco devices we are handling in my current company. So SI gateway, S gateway, P gateway, these are the nodes we are handling here.
So, Naveen, can you please, tell us why was it that you decided to go for the networking domain? What were the reasons that you chose this domain, when you were deciding that this is what you should go for? So, why the networking domain, basically?
So after completing my BCA, I joined a company and I was working as a IT support engineer. So later on, I came to know from one of my friend about NG Network. So I visited there with him, and I have not gone for the intention that I'll join or I'll learn network or anything like that. So there I get to meet Mr. Nitin of NG Network, and it was, I guess, hardly 30 minutes meeting. And from that time, I decided that yes, I should opt networking domain. I have done BCA in my graduation, so I was familiar what will be things in the networking. But that meeting changed my you can say career goals. So I decided to opt for a network engineer and to be a network engineer in any company, good company. So later on, I joined.
Yeah, so I was saying that I really liked how you said that, uh, within 30 minutes of, an interaction with him, you were able to, see that this is the domain for you. So that is really nice. So, my next question basically is, could you please take us through your journey, from exactly how you felt when you started as a job seeker and now that you've become a network engineer? So, what were the feelings back then and how are you feeling now and during that journey? So, what was that like?
To be a job seeker, you have many pressures from your family, from your friends when you are looking for a job. So when you get to know everyone who was your college mate or classmate, and they have been placed. So sometimes that feeling is a different that you are still looking for a job, and while your companions are already placed or earning good amount of money.
Okay. So, Naveen, my last thing that I want to ask from you is basically just any advice or any suggestion you would like to share with the people who are just now looking for a career in the networking domain. So, from your experience, in the domain, what would you like to suggest to them?
So I'll suggest them be confident about yourself and be passionate. that yes, you have opted the right field and networking is the field for you. And trust yourself. That's the only key to success.
Thanks for sharing that. So just another one thing, that any advice that was shared with you and by anyone in the domain, or maybe by NG or by Nitin sir, that has stayed with you, that you remember that this is what you should follow. So anything like that you would like to share, with the job seekers.
Yeah, so exactly, Nitin sir shared this advice with me that trust yourself, don't doubt yourself, don't doubt on by yourself that you cannot do it. Just trust that yes, you can do it, and you will make it.
That is wonderful advice. So, Naveen, thank you so much, for sharing your experience today with us, and, for making us a part of your journey. And I really hope that, the journey ahead is really much more amazing for you, and all the very best for that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for, participating in this talk show. Thank you for your time.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, thank you. Thanks.